Quick list on all the items you need when doing an oil change. You need some car ramps to drive the car on, a jack, that's all for safety, or you can use the car ramps, put the jacks under there. These are some helpful supplies that you can use. Gloves, light bulb, glasses, shop towels because it's dirty, ratchet, and socket. The torque wrench is mainly more so used when you're putting the drain plug back on. That's the only thing I don't have included here. Otherwise, WD-40 or PB blaster if the drain plug nut you can't get it off. Oil filter wrench, you can use any of these three. Of course, you'll need a oil pan to drain where the oil will collect, the funnel for the oil to pour into the engine, and of course the oil filter. You're done, pour the old oil into an empty jug so you can then recycle it. And this is also optional. If you need engine cleaner, then you'll put that in before you drain the old oil out, and then you'll put the new oil in. There's less than 20 items you need to gather before doing an oil change or flush. This is a quick list and a great reference guide to have when doing future oil changes. I'll put all of these parts in the description for easy reference. Let me know in the comments if I missed any other helpful tools or supplies, and please also let me know what you think of this quick and to the point video in the comments. A quick like and subscribe is always appreciated. Now go ahead and enjoy the other great videos on this channel. More importantly, go get those items and save money instead of someone else doing your oil change. Thanks for watching, and have a great day or night.